Let's see. All right, sweet. So we got, how do we evaluate this? It's telling us that b equals 4. So what does that mean? And what do we do with this? This means that if b equals 4, all we got to do is replace the b in this expression with 4. So we just simply rewrite it. I'm going to put parentheses around it so we know this is multiplying. It's not just 54. It's 5 times 4 squared. And you see how I've kind of done that? So where the b was, now there's a 4, and now we evaluate it. What do we do first? Multiplication or exponents? Exponents. Remember PEMDAS? That tells us that exponents comes before multiplication. So we do 4 squared, which is 16, and then 5 times 16, which is 80. All right, evaluating the expression. So again, we have p squared minus 13. We're going to plug in a 9 for p, and that becomes 9 squared minus 13. 9 squared is simply 81 minus 13, and we do that subtraction and we get 68. Last problem, 9m squared, and m equals 2. 9 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. 9 times 4 is then 36.